I mix rice, cloves, cornstarch, and my own pineapple and avocado seed oil that I infuse. And the results shocked me. Guys, if your hair refuses to grow or keep breaking or shedding, this treatment might change everything. So stay tuned with me because this place we do everything by homemade natural treatments. Anything concern nature, this channel, that is what we are doing. No chemicals things in this channel, everything is natural things. So let's start the video together. Well guys, I'm taking 1 cup of rice to put inside my bowl. Okay, why I'm putting the rice, definitely we have to check and see the benefit of rice. Rice is packed with vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and amino acids. Okay, and the benefit of this thing, it will repair damaging strands, also reducing shedding. If your hair is shedding, it will strand hair also and support faster hair growth while you are using rice. So rice is very powerful ingredient. It's very, whether you are using rice water, you are using rice hair mask, or anything concerned that you are using rice to do, or even skin also, rice is something that is, making people, your skin can glow, your hair can glow in growing naturally, your hair will be shining as the way, even if you use it for your body also, that's how you are going to get in glowing skin. So now after that, I bring 1 tablespoon of clove to put inside to mix it with the rice, because this thing I'm going to soak it down for some time. So why I put it inside, definitely let's go ahead and check about the clove, the benefits of clove. Clove also is, guys, before we talk about the cloves benefit, let me tell you guys, this thing I did not infuse it for only 1 day or 2 days. I infused it almost 3 or 4 days that I infused this rice and my clothes, because actually I was having plans for 2 days, but after the 2 days I didn't get chance to do it. That's why I just leave it on the water for 4 days. So now I bring it out, and that one that I'm blending. Okay, so guys, why I'm blending it, let's go ahead and check about the cloves. Cloves also is rich in antioxidant and vitamins. The benefit of cloves for using it in your hair, you will boost your scalp and blood circulations, and also stimulating hair growth. Okay, and also fighting dandruff and thicken roof if you are using cloves. So now guys, you can see I strain it. Actually that one I'm going to use to add cornstarch on it and turn it to be a hair mask. The one that I strain, actually I will use the water and the starch also of the rice, I'm going to use it for the skincare. So now that one I'm going to pack it and keep inside the fridge. And so the remaining chaff, let's start doing it now. I put inside my cooking pot and add cornstarch on it, stain it. So the most important, when you put it on fire, make the fire low, and also don't stay away from it, otherwise it's going to burn because of the cornstarch. So you have to consistency or continue staying your treatment or your mask like this for it not to burn, otherwise you will burn all the nutrients. So while I'm staying it like this, you can see now it's come to be thick like this. This is the consistency thick that you have to make it look. And after you put inside your blender, I added water inside of it and blend it. So after blending it, I added my waakye powder also inside. Okay, you can screenshot it, the name, and look for it if you want to add that one also into your treatment. So after I strain it, this one I make pineapple and avocado seed and avocado peel. That one I used to infuse this oil. This oil is for everything. I can use for our scalp massaging oil, we can use it for hot oil treatment, I can add it to my treatments, normal treatments also. So it's a lot that you can use this oil and do. So after I added that oil, 3 tablespoons of it, 2 or 3 tablespoons that I added. Now the next oil that I'm going to add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good because actually I'll definitely going back there to tell you guys the benefit of all the ingredients. So after the vitamin E oil, the next thing I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey inside, and it's not going to end there because after honey also I'll definitely going to add some essential oils inside for more benefit for and more fragrance for the head to smelling good at the same time get the benefit from the essential oils. So let's check and see cornstarch. Cornstarch also is smoothing your hair to make your hair look very smooth, and also improving slippery to your hair and adding softness to the dry ends. Okay, so using cornstarch is very good for it's having a lot of benefit. Even if you do your own research, you can see what cornstarch can do for your hair. So you can see how consistency smooth that I got now. So this is the way that you need to strain it and get this type of consistency smooth to get the good benefit of this treatment. So after that, I added that waakye powder. You can use waakye powder or waakye leaf. You can add into your rice and boil it together. Or now after I'm going to apply this hair mask for my daughter for you guys to see. But before applying it, if your hair is dry, always try to hydrate your hair small before apply it. So let's check and see waakye powder. The waakye powder or waakye leaf or a hibiscus, all is having vitamin B, vitamin C, iron, antioxidants. Okay, and also it helps to stimulating follicles, it's preventing hair breaking, it's adding shining, giving the hair healthy grow. So if you are looking for healthy hair growing, try to be adding whether it's waakye powder, waakye leaf, or hibiscus powder, hibiscus leaf. Those things also is help to grow hair very fast. So after that, the oils that I infused, I added 2 to 3 tablespoons. I told you guys that my pineapple leaf, avocado peel, and avocado seed infusing oil. Those oil also contain that infusing oil also is contain vitamin C and minerals. It's also reducing scalp inflammation and also strengthening roof, helping promoting faster hair growth and softening and conditioning your hair naturally. Okay, so that oil is very good. Whether you are using it, you can be using it for hot oil treatment, you can use it for your scalp massage. Oil is very good. Please, princess, please. So let's check and see the avocado. Those oil also is avocado peel and avocado seed. It also contain omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin E and antioxidants. It also thicken hair over time, stimulating weak follicles and preventing hair shedding and promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair from dryness. So avocado oil itself, or avocado seed, or avocado peel, all is having benefit for us, my sisters. So if you are someone who loves to eat avocado like me, please don't throw your seed away, don't throw your peels away. Use it as someone who looking for a way to grow her hair thicker, or to grow her children hair thicker, healthy. Use it to create a oil for your own hair care. Okay, use it and create the oils for your hair. So now I'm applying my hair mask to my daughter hair. This hair mask is very important and is having a way. Normally, even if you have time to be doing once in a week, is very good. But if you don't have time, at least 2 times in a month you do it, is very good. Princess, please. So please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. And sorry for my daughter noise, I try to make her keep quiet, but it's not working. So I added lavender essential oil. It's also making scalp smelling very good, and also promoting hair growth and reducing itchiness. That's lavender essential oil. I added jasmine essential oil also. It's also adding softness to your hair, making the hair shining and smelling very beautiful. So those things is very good. And vitamin E oil also repair damaging strands, protecting hair from fiber and helping to prevent hair from breaking. So those things are very powerful when you are doing your hair treatments. Try to have it and be adding to your hair treatments things. Okay, don't be missing those things. So it's very important. Thank you very much for watching Princess Hair Care. If you really enjoyed this treatment, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you want. Let me know what you want me to make next video, okay, so that I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so you can leave your comments to the comments below. Okay, we love you people. I know you guys also love us as we also do, so please, we need you guys support. Without you people, I cannot sit here to make this treatment and showing to you people. Maybe I can only do it and keep it by my side without showing to anybody, but I want people also to benefit something. I want our children, for us to stop using chemicals things for our children hair. I know we mothers, we have seen a lot of damaging from the heat to chemicals creams, but our children, let us protect their hair from the breaking, from damaging, from heat, from chemicals. Let us protect. It's our duty to protect everything. So that's why I am sharing with you guys also, so that you also can benefit something and know what you can do for your child to prevent your child hair for not spoiling. Thank you very much. I love you people.